Hello, this is gonna be my first international theme park. We're here in Tokyo Disney Sea. This will be the first time I'll be in a theme park out of America. Check out this huge globe. Very big. Nice. Nice fountain. So this is the entrance of Disney Sea. And building looks absolutely well themed. So we're gonna explore and ride some rides. See you then. Yeah, so being in a theme park international is my first time, and so far it is way different than what you would expect in America, because the ones over here are well themed, and so far the staff here are nice. So the ones in America are just kind of okay, but the staff here are absolutely nice. So we're here at Disney Sea right now. You can really see it's well themed. Like you're like in Italy right now. These buildings are like you're in Venice, Italy. So these buildings are absolutely like charming and absolutely well themed. You can see that there is looks like it's like a Taj Mahal themed attraction in front of us. You really see that this is a mountain like Matterhorn, but it's not. So it's really nice. They do have shops along the way. The chandeliers are well themed. The one in America is not that well themed, but this one by far, in my opinion, is the best theming at a theme park that I've ever been to. You can really tell that when you're like closer, it's really well themed. So this is like a hotel themed building, even though it's really not a hotel, I think. Might be. And right here, there are planes literally flying by, as you can see right there on the distance. That's probably because we're close to the Narita International Airport. Actually, it's probably one of the flight paths going to Narita. You can really tell it's landing now. And then here's the beautiful little pond area. You can see there's another ride. Is that a roller coaster or a log ride? But it's really, really nice here. Well themed. It's better than DCA in Anaheim, because this one is well themed. DCA doesn't really have that much theming, although they do have theming, but this one by far is the best theming according to DCA. It's really nice. So this is absolutely amazing. A well themed theme park. I wish the Disneyland in Anaheim did a good job, but in my opinion, this is well themed. There's like a Taj Mahal building, like I mentioned earlier, and then there's some more buildings. Feels like you're in Italy, Venice, Italy. There's a gondola ride. There's a bridge. It's really fantastic. So we came all the way over there, and you know it's really good theming. From Italy to like maybe the Middle East, it's absolutely different. There's even a bridge that you could walk right here. So if I go up to the bridge, there's some more over here. Another viewing area. You could also get a view. See, you're on top of the bridge and you can see like a lot here. A very nice view. And again, there's planes flying by, like I said before. It's absolutely amazing. So, first ride is this volcano here. Looks like it's a log flume, so we're gonna go on the log flume first. Looks like I changed my mind. I wanna ride this train here before we go on the log flume. We couldn't find the train station, so we decided to go on this log flume. So I don't know, I'm new here, so I don't know where the rides are, but we can go on this one first. Alright guys, we didn't get to ride the log flume, so we've ridden Flounders Flying Fish. Their kiddie coaster here at Disney Sea. So it's one of the roller coasters they have here. One of the two coasters here at Disney Sea. Coaster, it's okay. It's not rough. I don't have a complaint. It's a rough coaster, but more full in-depth review on that coaster coming soon. But it's built by Togo, and it was absolutely a fantastic family coaster. Good for the little ones. I highly recommend to ride it. Next ride, Raging Spirits. This is a Intamin multi-looping coaster. Very similar to Indiana Jones at Disneyland Paris. Let's go ride it. Alright, so I just got off the Raging Spirits, this Intamin multi-looping coaster. This is pretty similar to the one at Disneyland Paris, the Indiana Jones. It does feel like an Indiana Jones themed ride though. But with the fog and mist at the end, oh, that was amazing. You really get your mist all in your face once you hit that last turnaround of the ride. It does have one loop, and yeah, for me it felt like a Schwarzkopf looping coaster for some reason. So yeah, that's Raging Spirits, and yeah, we're gonna go grab some lunch now. Wow, look at this theming. It's like a beach themed like pond here. It's like you were thinking like, oh, this is like Moana or something. Just go to the beach and just surf and go swimming. But this is actually well themed. We got another flat ride here. It's a magic carpet ride. We got a little palace here. This is my well themed theme park. This is my first time in an international park, and I can't believe so far the theming is so fantastic that they've done here. Better than the Disneyland in Anaheim. So really nice with the theming. I really appreciate the people in Japan for doing a great job with theming. Again, here's the little fake beach to the vibe here. It should give you that little feel of the beach. It's really amazing. This is Middle Eastern, like Egyptian. It's kind of like a Taj Mahal. This is like a Indian plaza here. They really themed it very well. So over there is like a jungle, and then now it became like Middle Eastern theming here. So bravo to Tokyo Disney Sea for doing this great job on doing well theming. So we got a little dome here. This is the like a Taj Mahal. So this is maybe like Indian food or something. This is completely different. I've never seen a theme park like this with this kind of theming. So you see the little decorations and stuff. It's a little pattern here. So we're just in this Indian cuisine here, and we're eating chicken curry and lamb curry. Food looks absolutely delicious. We got a little like dessert too. Soda, naan bread. So that looks absolutely delicious. Look, they even have a carousel. It's even themed to it's like almost like the Taj Mahal. There's literally a carousel inside this building, right here. So that's what we're gonna go on next, apparently. All right, we're gonna be riding Magic Lamp first. We just came from the carousel. Let's check this one out. Alright, so we are now inside. Sorry, the camera won't focus. We are now in the Magic Lamp ride. Seems like this is a 4D attraction. You have to wear 3D glasses. So we just came inside the facade. So we're just waiting now until we go inside. But I don't think filming is allowed, so I'll just see you right after then. Okay, just got off the Magic Lamp 4D theater. Not great. Effects. There wasn't that much effects on the ride. You only feel a little bit of like an airtime, but it's like the chair. There's a little. You just feel a little bump when you're sitting down at the end. But there's like really nothing much to it. It's the fact that you wear 3D glasses, and it feels like it's, you know, the characters are really coming out of the screen, so that's one good thing. But the only problem is there's not much effects on the ride, so, or the show, so that wasn't really that great. So Yeah. Okay, so the next ride, we're going on Aquatopia. It is a spinning water ride. You control, and you just go around the area, but you're in water. So we're going on that ride next. So we're here in the Aquatopia ride. We're going to be riding this ride today. It is a water ride. No, you do not get wet. You just go around in circles, and you know, you just cruise on the little boats. So this is it. And then there's another side over there, another boat, and then here's another station for the ride. So we're going on this side. We're going on this one. Got off Aquatopia. This is an absolutely insane ride. It's a water ride, but you don't get wet, so don't worry. But see, you're gonna be spinning around a lot. You're gonna be going backwards, forwards, sideways. There's nobody in that vehicle right there, which is empty. So this is Aquatopia. It is an insane ride. So if you want to have fun and go crazy, this is a ride for you. Absolutely insane. We got Incredibles right there, and we got Despicable Me right there. We got only these 3 characters right now. So the submarine voyage is not a ride, it's a 4D ride. So instead, we're gonna ride the Indiana Jones adventure. It's kind of windy now, but we just got off the Indiana Jones adventure. Great effects. The reason why it's a high thrill is because there's a lot of swoops and turns, and it's dark, and you do feel a little bit of drops. It's kind of bumpy. It's not a roller coaster. It's just no free fall drop. It's just fast, and it just goes zigzagging. So, but the ride was pretty fun. It was dark inside. I love the effects. So they were working properly. It's, you know, the theming is after Indiana Jones, so it has a Japanese story to it, but it was still a fun ride. It's not a roller coaster. Yeah. So when you're here in this one, you can smell, not hear everything, and you can smell the Indian food from over here. Cause they have a food court over there, so you can really smell the Indian food from over here, right where the fountains are. From here and over here, you can smell the Indian food. Look at this. The water's absolutely clear. It's crystal clear. Look at that. There's a boat ride. These are Taj Mahal shaped structure on these posts. Absolutely nice. It looks cool. So you can see the water over there. It looks, see, clean. They are making waves right now because the boat is running. So you can literally see the waves just like pounding to the shoreline, at least at the edge of it. So you can really see there are waves splashing all over. It's like a beach. I want to like go to a beach one day, hopefully someday, and swim in the beach. I love beaches. Oh, this is really cool. You're like on a cruise ship. There's like multiple floors on this like little boat, little ship here. And there are restaurants that you could eat in here too. It's going up, it goes up and up until you reach the top. It's absolutely amazing. There's nothing like this at Disneyland in California. Right, so I'm just gonna end things right here. I'm showing off the little pond area. And we've just ended our day here at Disney Sea. Yeah, the water's pretty deep. According to what my dad told me, it's really deep, like 10 feet deep. It's very deep. If you swim here, it's gonna be hard for you to pedal into the shore because it's really deep. So anyway, I'm gonna sign off, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.